Are you having problems with the search bar not responding in Windows 10? This video will show you how to fix this issue using a few simple steps. The first way, restart search bar by end the task. Open Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, you will see a list of running applications and processes. You can find search, click on End Task. If it doesn't solve it, try the second way, restart Explorer Windows. The third way, end Task Explorer Windows, then run new task. Ending a task in Task Manager means forcibly terminating a running program or process on your computer. This is typically done when a program is not responding or has become unresponsive, and you want to close it to regain control of your computer. Fourth method, download last update in Windows. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. Updates can sometimes include bug fixes for various issues, including search problems. Five method, system file checker. Open CMD and open a command prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD or command prompt in the Start menu, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. Sixth method, add Bing search enabled in Regedit. Open Regedit and navigate to Path. Then create Bing search enabled and Cortana consent and give him 0 in value. Then restart Explorer Windows in Task Manager. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks.